Hello, with me are 5-finger toys. See, this is chicken. And this is a monkey. And this is
William.
how do you call this, William? Oh, with me with Cybertron. Look. And the baby. Oh, see, nag-ano rin, no? And we'll get back to her. This is a rat.
No, a squirrel.
A squirrel. And a horse.
A rabbit.
And a rabbit. How does a rabbit sound? That's like a rat. See there? Hey, I'm going out of the tree.
What's that in your mouth, Daniel?
Ah, you gotta see me out of the tree.
Where's the...
I can't go there because I'm a horse. I cannot climb. Oh, you poor little things. You really cannot climb because you're not a monkey. Monkey is the best animal in the world. I don't think so. I'm a chicken and I lay eggs. You can't do that, man.
Da.
I'm just a pretty rabbit. But we're all friends.